have familiar bows and accessories. In our previous video, we talked briefly about what we do in our business. We make hair bows, bow ties, fascinators, hair barrettes, flower pins, earrings, and other beautiful accessories. Today, we are going to learn how to make a simple barrette, something similar to this. Are you ready? Let's go! To make a simple barrette like this, they're not exactly the same, something very simple. You will need a fabric. You can use any kind of fabric you like. This is a glitter full leather sheets of fabric. You will need scissors, a pair of scissors to cut the fabric. Then you will need a needle with a thread. You need a thread. You can also use a sewing machine if you know how to sew fabrics. You will also need alligator's clip or any type of clips. You will need a decoration piece for the center of the barrette. You will need a glue gun with a glue stick. Preferably, put the glue stick in the glue gun and plug it in before you start making this. That way, by the end of the process, it's ready to use. You will also need a lighter. This is optional to adjust the end of your fabric. You might also need a measurement. If you are used to make hair bows and barrettes, you will have the measurement. You get used to the measurement. And I call it have the measurement on your eyes. Are you ready to start? Let's go! To make our barrette, we are wearing our face mask and gloves because we sell them, and also to make sure that nothing is contaminated. If in a regular basis you have like a cough, a sneeze, that will protect the accessories, and also the gloves will protect the sheet that you're working with. We are wearing this especially because of the COVID-19, but we also make sure that we always protect our accessories when we make them. This sheet right here is 22 centimeters long. You can use any size to make your barrette depending on how small or big you want it. I am going to use about 10 centimeters. We are going to cut the sheet first. Now we are going to fold the sheet in two. Now we are going to use the basting stitch to sew the fabric. Start by going from the back to the front, pull the thread, and repeat the same process until you completely sew the fabric. You can pull the thread while you're sewing to have the beautiful wave that you want, or you can wait until you completely sew the fabric and pull the thread. When you completely sew the fabric, remember to secure the end of the fabric by making 3 to 5 knots. At this time, we will try to put the two ends together by first securing them together with 3 knots and then complete securing them with the glue. We are now at the step 2 where we are going to decorate the top of the accessories. Put a decorating piece in the center of the barrette. Now we are at the step 3, which is our final step, where we are going to put a clip in the back of our barrette so we can pose it properly on our hair. Our beautiful barrette is ready. We are going to try it on our beautiful Joanna. don't miss out on our next video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you turn on the post notification bell so you can receive notification on our next video. We are happy to see you. We hope you love our video. We'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching.